Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your host, the XRP agent. I'm doing better than most, but not as good as some. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope everything is going well with you. Let's look at the market. We're looking at some green today. Bitcoin dominance is still around about 69%. And Bitcoin is at 7,349. That looks good. Ethereum is at 132. And XRP is over 19 cents, 19.24. But earlier it was under 18 cents. So we had a bump over the midnight hours. And hopefully this is a trend, because since this is like the second business day, hopefully the banks start custodizing the XRP and using it. But we'll see. Hopefully regulation will kick in soon. And man, if they take off the lid, the sky's the limit. Now, let's see what coin fair value has to say. Now, they're looking at XRP all the way down to 49 cents. Uncertainty region is at 37 cents, and high is at 66 cents. So, I don't know about their parameters, but it's something good to look at. I know a lot of people was looking at it since it was high before, but since it's going down, I ain't seen nobody look at coin fair value anymore. But I like to keep my options open. But let's go into the news. Now, this is my boy. He's a veteran, over 13 years in the military, crypto track. Now, he posted this video. Well, he posted this link from the Daily Huddle. Ripple begins 2020 with 49 job openings in the U.S., UK, Brazil, Japan, Singapore, Dubai, and India. Woohoo! If you're looking for a job, there's no excuse. Get on the XRP bandwagon. Yeah, so I'm not going to go into this article, but hey, the Daily Huddle has a lot of good information. Check them out. But man, they're expanding, and they're trying to get to cover the globe with new innovation. So Ripple has started a lot of different projects like Coil, Cinnamon. A new project they have where you can stream music for music artists. They just hitting the ground running at Ripple. So my hat is off to all the Ripple team. Now let's look at this other article. Hey, XRP track. Oh, let me see if I like this one. Yeah, let me like this one. Retweet. Thank you for the information. We really appreciate it. Yeah. All right. Let me copy that. Thank you, good sir. Really appreciate you. Boom. Now let's go over this one. Analysts predict XRP community is due for a replica of 2017 bull run. Time will tell. As for now, I will continue to accumulate. Hey, I'm with you, Crypto Track. Now he tags the XRP community, XRP the Standard, and a few other people. XRP Dave, if you're not subscribed to him, follow him. XRP, Crypto Thanos, Marky, am I pronouncing that one right? Myself. XRP for lovers. I like that. And what's that? Lucky John, XRP. So follow those people and you will not go wrong. So let's see what this article has to say. Let's dive in right quick. Analysts predict XRP is due for a replica of 2017 bull run. I like this. By that guy right there. Ripple's forecast that cryptocurrency will gain massive adoption by the new year, a new decade, was greeted with a gesture of euphoria from the crypto community. In addition, crypto traders are saying adoption will not just happen, but cryptocurrency like XRP are now around the bottom low, and bullish rally will likely happen by 2020. Many analysts have predicted that the bulls are imminent for XRP come 2020, and some are banking their optimistic forecast with the assertion that the XRP fractal at present is very similar to that of 2015 and 2016, which later resulted into a unimaginable spike in 2017 and 2018. Now here are the charts, 2016, 2017. Historical data matches with 2019 and 2020. I'm not really into charts and analysis and stuff, but it's good to look at them. They do give you like a fundamental basis which to go by, but I agree with them. We're at an all-time low, and I don't see it going much lower. It could drop down a little bit more. I believe if it dropped down more, the weaker hands will just sell off because they're scared. And like I mentioned many times before, you do not lose your money unless you sell. And a lot of people, they sell, the price go up, they FOMO back in at a loss. So whatever you do, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an investor with XRP and cryptocurrencies, just giving you my opinions. So do not trade or buy on what I say. Do your own due diligence. I'm repeating, I'm not responsible for your financial decisions, good or bad. I'm just trying to enlighten you. Okay, so that's out of the way. Yeah, so if you like the article, you can read the rest of the article, but basically it has a lot more graph jargon I'm not really familiar with, but the meat of the article is XRP price to reach $114 or $431 if history repeats itself. So that's great. Like I always say, XRP was designed $10,000 a coin. Eventually it's going to get there, but analysis cite that XRP spiked by 77,000% in 2017. So moving from 0.004 to $3.53. Now, that's a great jump. And, you know, he shows another graph here and talks about some more stuff. But are you prepared? Are you prepared for the great wealth transfer? So I always like to reiterate this. This is an article from CoinDesk. Came out. It was updated in December. Upbit is the 7th major crypto exchange hacked of 2019. Wow. Now it goes over some crypto exchanges that were hacked. I always tell you, other YouTubers tell you, do not have your crypto on the exchanges. You know, hey, they're just on ramps and off ramps. Handle your business, get them on, get them off as quick as possible. Now, if you want to take advantage of, like BitTrue has their Power Piggy, just understand if you do that, I believe there's a trusted exchange. But if your XRP is going to be $10,000 a coin at one point, you have to make that decision on if you're going to gamble it, because it's gambling. You're trusting that the exchange is not going to be hacked. And if it does be hacked, you're hoping that they're gonna now, if you have your coins on the exchange, you're gambling. You're trusting that the exchange is gonna safeguard your cryptocurrency if they get it hacked. Or if they do get hacked, they're gonna do the right thing, and they say they have insurance and reimburse you. It's your decision. But these are some of the top exchanges that got hacked. If you're on these exchanges, just make sure that you're doing the right thing and taking your crypto off, putting them on a ledger. If you trust in these exchanges, just understand that, you know, none of these exchanges are 100% proof. Now, maybe they did some security upgrades to protect your cryptocurrency. Hey, that's well and good. But there's always something that can happen. And it's been times where I transferred my crypto and I forgot, I didn't put in the right tag, and I gotta give Coinbase some credit. I didn't do the right tag, and they reimbursed me my cryptocurrency. So I was lucky. And it was times where I got hacked, and I told you that story. Just be careful. So right now we're seeing some green. Woohoo! Hopefully we'll continue seeing some green, but keep your cryptocurrency safe. This is the XRP agent. Keep life simple. Until next time, later.